Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using WordPress themes to apply your brand style instantly. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section located in the left sidebar. Click on Themes to view the installed themes. Explore the available themes by browsing through the WordPress theme directory or your uploaded themes. Select a theme that aligns with your brand style. Hover over the chosen theme and click the Activate button. Once activated, you'll be redirected to the theme's details page. Click on Customize to open the WordPress Customizer. In the Customizer, examine options such as site identity, colors, and menus. For site identity, upload your logo and set the site title and tagline. Next, click on Colors to adjust the color palette to match your brand. Select primary and secondary colors that align with your brand's identity. Continue to the Menus section to create and manage your navigation. Add pages or categories to the menu that best represent your site structure. After configuring the menu, review other sections in the Customizer like widgets and homepage settings. In the Widgets section, drag and drop widgets that convey your brand message. Customize each widget according to your desired layout and functionality. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click the Publish button to save. Preview your site to ensure the new theme and style align with your brand vision. If needed, return to the Customizer to make any adjustments. Repeat this process until your WordPress site reflects your brand style perfectly. Now your site is equipped with a fresh look that enhances your brand presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.